What is social comparison theory? Social comparison theory was first proposed by psychologist Leon Festinger in 1954. The theory suggests that individuals evaluate their own opinions, abilities, and beliefs by comparing themselves to others. This comparison process allows individuals to understand and define themselves in relation to others, and to determine their own self-worth. Social comparison theory proposes that there are two types of social comparison, namely, upward social comparison and downward social comparison. Upward social comparison occurs when individuals compare themselves to others who they perceive as better or more successful than themselves. Downward social comparison occurs when individuals compare themselves to others who they perceive as worse or less successful than themselves. The motivation for social comparison is driven by a desire for self-improvement and self-enhancement. Individuals compare themselves to others in order to gain information about their own abilities and to assess their own performance relative to others. This information can be used to set goals and to motivate behavior change. Social comparison theory has been applied to a wide range of domains, including health behavior, academic achievement, and social media use. In health behavior, social comparison can be used to motivate behavior change, such as engaging in physical activity or quitting smoking. Individuals may compare themselves to others who are engaging in healthy behaviors in order to improve their own health behaviors. In academic achievement, social comparison can be used to motivate academic performance. Students may compare themselves to their peers in order to determine their own level of academic achievement and to set goals for improvement. In social media use, social comparison can be used to enhance self-esteem and social identity. Individuals may compare themselves to others on social media in order to determine their own level of popularity, attractiveness, or success. Social comparison theory has several limitations and criticisms. One limitation is that individuals may engage in biased social comparison. For example, individuals may selectively compare themselves to others who they perceive as worse off than themselves in order to enhance their own self-esteem. Another limitation is that social comparison may lead to negative consequences, such as feelings of envy, jealousy, or inferiority. Upward social comparison may lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem, while downward social comparison may lead to complacency and lack of motivation.